In this video we will be looking at how to solve absolute value expressions and equations. So let's start off with an example for this one. Let's say that we have the expression 1.4 plus absolute value of 5y minus 7. And let's say we know that y equals -3 and we want to evaluate at this value for y. So let's plug in for y. So we have 1.4 plus absolute value of 5 times -3 minus 7. And this is just 1.4 plus absolute value of -22. So now we need to know what happens when you have an absolute value. Well, basically, an absolute value just makes whatever you have in the inside makes it positive. So let's say you have -3, that would just become absolute value of -3 is just 3. Absolute value of 3, since 3 is already positive, you just get back 3. So here we would just get 1.4 plus 22, which equals 23.4. And that is the example, that is the answer for this example. Now let's try solving an absolute value equation. So this is a bit more tricky. So let's say we have to solve absolute value of x minus 18, and we know that this equals 5. So let's try to apply what we learned here. So we know that this expression, x minus 18, once an absolute value, it automatically becomes positive, which means that x minus 18 could equal 5, or x minus 18 could equal -5, because absolute value of x minus 18 will just give you 5, and absolute value of x minus if this x minus 18 would give you 5. So let's just solve this out. We get x equals 23, or x equals 13. And those are our two solutions. And we can check this. So x minus, when x is 23, 23 minus 18 equals 5. This is true. Or here, 13 minus 18 equals 5. Absolute value of -5 is just 5. And that's a quick introduction to solving absolute value equations.